Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to forward the multiple email in Microsoft Outlook. For that, we are going to cover in the Outlook desktop application. So this is my Outlook desktop application. So if you want to send the 2 to 3 emails to the particular person, just click on this and click on the control option in the keyboard and just click on the how many mail you want to send. Continuously click on that, and once you click, take your hand and click the control F in the keyboard, so that it will the attachment will be received in the mail of the mail Outlook email. So to whom you want to send, keep your type your email ID, type the email ID, and if you want to keep the person as a CC, then type that particular person email ID and type the subject and click on send. So if you do this, the all the three attachment will be sent together to the particular person. So this is how we have to forward multiple email in the Microsoft Outlook desktop application. So this is a simple and easy step. We can do it in a Microsoft Outlook desktop application. So for more video like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get the more notifications. Thank you.